Okay, so I got a little homemade piston stop in here. This is all to the left. What is that? Oh, let's go 8 degrees-ish. So I'm hitting here. Great. Go this way. And I'm hitting there. So between here and here, let's just do this right about here. Based on that 8 degrees, mind you, not the 0, the 8 degrees. So I go back, went too far, forward, back, and as you can see, I am real close to being at top dead center. So it's close. I mean, I think I'm like a couple degrees if I'm anything. So I don't think the bouncer spun, or if it hasn't moved a ton. And where's my mark? So here is my little mark. If you can see it down here, right here. There's my little notch, okay? Stuck the screwdriver in it. And here is the new balancer. Here's my new mark. And there's my new thing. So just halfway lining them up. Let's just do this. Come here, you. Halfway lining them up and halfway lining up the thing. It might be off a couple degrees. It looks like I am close to having the two. Like I'm saying, it might be off just a couple degrees, but it's nothing to really care about. I don't think it's a balancer issue. I don't think it's a timing issue or a timing chain issue. It might just have been a bad module, but I got all this nastiness in here, and who knows how old that chain is. So yeah, we're gonna go through, do a balancer, do a timing chain, just clean all this up, because I hate working on engines like this when I don't have to. Coming around the second time, I enjoy working on them when they're clean. It's just a lot better. So I'm gonna pull this balancer and play around, but it's nice to know I did check the compression to make sure I wasn't hitting any valves or anything, and that's basically the only reason I checked the compression. I think it was like 150 to 160, which is acceptable for an 85. I mean, what do you want? So I'm going to go through, just do this timing chain and remove all this nastiness as I'm doing this. So everything's still kind of soaking. Yeah, just going to go through and clean everything up and get this balancer off. But there's your little update. Of course, there's your little update, and yeah, playing around. Thank you. See you later.